Hello, hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Prasad from India, your English Fluency Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you WH questions, how to use WH questions in your daily conversation. Okay, there are four kinds of sentences. First one is assertive or declarative. Second one is imperative. Third one, interrogative. And fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Today in this video, let's see how we have to use WH questions. Okay, interrogative are two kinds. They are yes or no questions and WH questions. First, let us see what WH questions are. Okay, WH questions are questions which start with begin with WH. For example, what is the WH? When? W. So that is the reason we call them WH questions. So how to use them in our daily conversation? Okay, very simple. Let's start with this question. Okay, familiar question. Whenever we meet a new person, what's your name? We ask them. We want to know their name, right? So may I know your name, please? Or what's your name? If you are talking to kids, what's your name? Simply, okay. No need to follow the formalities, right? So what's your name? After that, what's your father's name? What's your mother's name? What's your teacher's name? What's your doctor's name? What's your uncle's name? What's your aunt's name? Okay. Next one, with who? Okay, with who? How to frame question? Who are you? Who is he? Who is your English teacher? Okay. Who is she? Who are they? Who are we? Okay, with who? Practice number of questions. After that, when? Okay. When did you come? Past tense. When did you come? When did you come from America? When did you come from Mumbai? When did you come from India? When did you come from market? When did you come from library? When did you come from school? Okay, past action completed, past completed action. Okay, so if it is a future, when will you go? When will you go there? When will you go to school? When will you go to library? When will you go to your uncle's house? When will you go to your grandfather's house? When will you go to America? When will you go to New Zealand? Future tense. The action will take place in the future. When, will plus V1. When will you go? Okay. If it is past tense, when did you go? Okay. When did you go? When did you eat? When did you write that novel? When did you watch this movie? Now, next one, where, right? With where, let's frame some questions. Where did you go yesterday? Where did your brother go yesterday? Where did your father go yesterday? Okay, we are talking about the past tense, already action completed. Where did they go yesterday? Okay, where did they complete their project? Okay, with the where, some questions we framed. Now, with how did you do it? How did they do it? How did your brother do it? How did your father do it? Okay, with how we framed some questions. Next, one more WH question. How much? Okay. How much do you want? How much does your friend want? How much does your father want? How much is this? Now with how many? Okay. How many are there? How many books do you want? Okay. How many novels did you write? How many stories did you read? How many books did you buy? How many sentences did you practice? Right? How many letters did you write? We're talking about the past tense. How many plus past tense. How many did you complete? How many members did you meet? How many friends do you have? Okay. Now, which? Let's frame some questions with which. Which is your favorite color? Which book do you want? Which story did you read yesterday? Okay, so take WH questions. What, why? Okay, with why, let's frame questions. Why did you come here? Why did you go there? Why did you watch that movie? Why did you read this book? Why did you scold me? Why did you criticize him? Why did your brother call me? Why did your sister write a letter? Why did you call me yesterday? Okay. Why did you give compliment? With the why number of questions. So what are the WH questions? So let's revise once again. What, where, when, who, whom, which, how much, how many. These are the WH questions. And again, you can practice yes or no questions. For example, what is the difference between WH questions and yes or no questions? Yes or no questions, we can reply them by saying yes or no. Okay. Yes or no questions are questions those which can be replied by saying yes or no. For example, if I ask you, do you know English? You can say yes, I know English. Or you can say no, or you can say yes. Either you can say yes or no. If I ask you, what is your name? Can you say yes or no? No. You need to give some answer. My name is so and so. Okay. So we divided the interrogative sentences into two kinds. One is yes or no question, another one is WH question. If you practice these questions when we meet strangers, when we meet others, when we ask something for information, okay, you can use these sentences. So my dear friends, practice makes perfect. So don't waste your time. Don't waste your valuable time. If you want reach your goal is to become fluent. Your goal is to acquire fluency in English, right? So for that, we need to practice. Without practice, we will never become fluent. That's for sure. You may learn grammar rules, you may read books, but as long as you don't start talking, you will never become fluent. Your fluency start with your speaking. So start speaking right now with your friends. Okay, right now with your family members. Surround yourself with people who speak English, who want to learn English, who is showing interest in learning the language. So surround yourself. You have to create that kind of English environment. When you are able to create English environment, it's easy for you to pick up the language. Or else it will be difficult for you. It may take a lot of time. Okay, so if you want to pick up the language faster, okay, quickly, then you need to surround yourself with the people who speak English. You need to create English environment. Then easily you can pick up the language. Every day, practice some sentences. For example, today you have to practice WH questions. Okay, WH questions, I told you, I gave you so many examples. Now I'm going to give you some examples as or no questions. Do you know English? Do you know cooking? Do you know me? Do you know him? Do you know her? Do you know them? Do you know my English teacher? Do you know my father? Do you know my mother? Do you know my friends? Okay. Do you know his friends? Do you know her friends? Like that. Okay. Did you go there yesterday? If it is past tense. Did you go to market yesterday? Did you go to library yesterday? Uh, did your brother join? Okay. Did your father uh, give you money? Did your father give you money? Okay. Did your mother finish cooking? Did you wash your clothes? Like that. If it is past tense, we have to use did. Did plus V1. If it is present tense, do. Okay. Do you speak English? Do you know Russian? Like that. So, my dear friends, practice these WH questions and SR no questions. You need to practice a lot until you become confident. Confidence is the key to success. Confidence comes with the practice. So you practice. It's not you don't know anything. You know all the rules, you know everything. only the practice is missing. So my dear friends, what I'm asking is, you practice, be confident, okay, improve yourselves day by day regularly. Okay, thank you very much, all of you. Thank you, dear subscribers. Thank you, dear viewers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and family members. Okay, yeah, I need your support and encouragement. I told you in the previous class, I told you in the beginning, okay, I started with 10 subscribers and now 200 plus. I'm so happy. That is because of your encouragement and support, and you are sharing it with your friends and family members. So daily, every day, um, the subscribers are increasing. Okay, please, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any videos. Thank you very much, all of you, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye. Happy.